one of our ushers who are wearing grey gowns, or an announcement is made to leave the building by your nearest exit. Once outside, please convene on the grass area, which is located to your right as you face the stage. Once there, please await further instruction. Finally, if you have a moment.
Would you please sit? As Chancellor of this university, it's my very great pleasure to welcome you all to this ceremony for the Department of Clinical, Pharmaceutical and Biological Science. I must start by introducing the platform party and welcome on my immediate left Dr. Sally Ann Forsyth, OBE, who will be receiving an honorary degree of Doctor of Science. Next to her is Dr. Richard Southern, Dean of the School of Life and Medical Sciences. On my immediate right is Professor John Senior, Pro-Vice-Chancellor, Research and Enterprise, and on my far right, Mrs. Julie Kelly, Academic Registrar, who today carries the university's mace. I'd particularly like to welcome those who are graduating this evening. Their relations and their friends, so important that you should continue the support you have given during the last few years and see the final glorious outcome. We will now proceed with the presentation of awards, and I have the greatest pleasure in calling upon Professor Senior to read a citation for the conferment of an honorary degree on Dr. Sally Ann Forsyth.
Chancellor, graduands and guests, it is my pleasure to read the citation for the presentation of the Honorary Award of Doctor of Science on Dr. Sally Ann Forsyth, OBE. Sally Ann is the Chief Executive Officer of Stevenage Bioscience Catalyst, the UK's first open innovation biomedical catalyst. Over the course of her stellar career, Sally Ann has been an ambassador for the impact that science parks can bring to both research and business communities, and has had an indelible impact on the national landscape as a result. Born in Edinburgh, Sally Ann grew up in the small town of Bathgate, attending its local primary school and academy. And it was during these formative years that she began to take a keen interest in science. It was not, however, her formal education that lit the touch paper, but the BBC documentary series Horizon. And by the time she came to consider a university degree, she was fascinated by genetics and questions such as the relative influence of genes versus environment. Sally Ann's choice of degree took her back to her city of birth, enrolling on biological sciences at Edinburgh, the best regarded course of its type in the country at that time. It was a degree that offered its students a broad base of scientific areas at the outset, but which encouraged them to specialise year by year. Accordingly, Sally Ann's focus sharpened towards genetics, and by the time she graduated, she was inspired by the idea of being able to decode DNA and engineer it for the benefit of mankind. She would go on to secure a master's and then a PhD in molecular biology at Cambridge. Sally Ann began her career at Unilever in its management training scheme and progressed to roles where she had lead responsibility for in-licensing, strategic alliances and open innovation within the Unilever Foods and Discovery divisions. By 2005, she had become director of the Unilever research site at Colworth, which she transitioned into a multi-tenant Colworth Science Park, a leading location for open innovation, and the first of 4 science parks Sally Ann would come to head up over time. Her second followed in 2007 when Sally Ann joined Goodman International as their Director of Science Parks and the first Director of Harwell, Oxford. In her 6 years with Goodman, she was responsible for the creation of the Harwell Enterprise Zone and for facilitating the establishment of a national space cluster, home to the Satellite Catapult Centre and the European Space Agency. In 2013, Sally Ann became CEO of the Norwich Research Park, which consisted of 6 partners, including the University of East Anglia, several leading science research institutes, and the regional hospital. Here, she established the strategic direction and management structure to take forward the park, helping it to secure funding for new infrastructure and enterprise zone status in the process. Sally Ann was appointed to her current role as the CEO of Stevenage Bioscience Catalyst in 2018. The Catalyst has been established by GlaxoSmithKline, Wellcome, Innovate UK, and at that time, the Department for Business, Energy and Industrial Strategy 6 years earlier. Its aim was to build a globally recognised cluster in the UK for the therapeutic sector, providing biotech, pharma and medtech businesses with access to world-leading academic support, networks and scientific facilities. Under Salian's leadership, total private equity investment in biotechnology raised in Stevenage has grown to become comparable with that of Cambridge, London and Oxford. And government awards of Life Science Opportunity Zone and High Potential Opportunity status have been secured. Such achievements were recognised when Salian was awarded an OBE in the 2020 New Year's Honours List. It's an award that prompted Naheem Zahawi MP, then Parliamentary Under-Secretary of State at the Department for Business, Energy and Industrial Strategy at the time, to say, under Salian's leadership, science parks across the UK are bringing these brilliant minds together to develop vital therapies to treat, prevent and even cure diseases. I commend her on this well-deserved accolade. The University of Hertfordshire echoes these sentiments here today in conferring an honorary doctorate. Chancellor, I am proud to present Dr. Salian Forsyth OBE for an honorary doctorate of science. Thank you.
I now call upon Dr. Forsyth to address us.
Thank you. Chancellor, graduates and guests, I'm absolutely delighted to join you here today and to have the chance to say a few words as part of this wonderful ceremony. I feel very privileged to have been awarded an honorary doctorate in science by the University of Hertfordshire. It really means a great deal to me, and a heartfelt thank you for this fantastic honour. Life sciences has underpinned my whole career. As mentioned, I started in academic research, then I moved on to project management for Unilever, managing a range of scientific projects. A spell in venture capital helping startups, and more recently, the development of science innovation campuses, more excitingly now, in Stevenage. So, your qualifications provide an outstanding opportunity in the field of life sciences. There's lots of roles that you can do, and in my career, as you can tell, I've tried a few and I've loved all of them. So I'm delighted to be here to celebrate your achievements today as you start on your own exciting journey. You know, it's a fantastic time to be in life sciences. Life sciences exist at that intersection of a range of emerging technologies. We have an even greater understanding of disease at the molecular level, allowing a shift in focus from treatment to prevention and cure. Artificial intelligence and data analytics support this and are playing a pivotal role in diagnostics, drug discovery and treatment. I know this allows us to deliver more personalised care and better health outcomes for patients, which is so important. So Hertfordshire, I should say, is at the centre of all of this. It serves as a powerhouse for the UK life sciences, boasting, I'm proud to say, Europe's largest cell and gene therapy cluster. The connected ecosystem brings together the innovation pipeline of research communities, startups and large pharma, and wraps around it that supportive environment that's so important for growth. This university, which I can now proudly say is our university, it plays a pivotal role in this ecosystem by providing academic input, state-of-the-art facilities, and expert training, not forgetting fresh ideas and really new perspectives to the world. So, as you stand on the threshold of your future careers, it's your opportunity to use your skills to make a difference to people's lives. And I feel confident knowing that the future is in your hands. I congratulate you all on your achievements and wish you every success for the future. Finally, I'd just like to say that I'm immensely grateful to all of those that I've worked with over the years, many of whom are here today. I'd like to thank them for their generous support that's really helped me achieve this award. And I would now like to close by thanking again the University of Hertfordshire for this very special honour.
Thank you very much indeed, Dr. Forsyth. We will now receive the graduates of the Department of Clinical, Pharmaceutical and Biological Science. As I'm sure you know, graduates are presented by a member of the academic staff from their own school or department. So I first call upon Dr. Avis Hall.
So, the School of Life and Medical Sciences, Department of Clinical, Pharmaceutical and Biological Sciences, Doctor of Philosophy, Ifoma Carmilla Asiana has been awarded the degree of Doctor of Philosophy in recognition of the programme of work entitled The Benefits of Using Silicon Nutrition on Strawberries, including reducing epidemics of strawberry powdery mildew, Podosfera affanis. Chancellor, Dr. Ifoma Carmilla Asiana.
Doctor of Philosophy, Diana Booker, has been awarded the degree of Doctor of Philosophy in recognition of a program of work entitled Fungicide Sensitivity Status of Perella precisa brassicae populations in Ireland. Chancellor, Dr. Diana Booker.
Doctor of Philosophy, Sarah Seria has been awarded the degree of Doctor of Philosophy in recognition of a program of work entitled Development of Smart Polymeric Nanocontainers for the Therapy of Head and Brain Malignancies. Chancellor, Dr. Sarah Seria.
Doctor of Philosophy with Industry Experience. Mohammed Hassan Badawi has been awarded the degree of Doctor of Philosophy with Industry Experience in recognition of a programme of work entitled Determination of Key Parameters Influencing Dislodgeable Foliar Pesticide Residues. Chancellor, Dr. Mohammed Hassan Badawi.
Master of Science by Research. Dima Al-Azawi has been awarded the degree of Master of Science by Research in recognition of program of work entitled Regulation of Receptors Siglec-11 and Siglec-15 by microRNAs and their overall effect on glioblastoma. Chancellor, Dima Al-Azawi.
Master of Science by Research. Tony Lauren Randall has been awarded the degree of Master of Science by Research in recognition of a program of work entitled Perturbations of the Autophagy Pathway in Spinal Muscular Atrophy, Insights from the Nematodes and Rhabditis elegans. Chancellor, Tony Lauren Randall. Master of Science by Research. Konstantinos Syrios has been awarded the degree of Master of Science by Research in recognition of a program of work entitled Identifying Novel Theranostic Interventions for Glioblastoma and Neuroblastoma using Functional Magnetic Nanoparticles. Chancellor, Konstantinos Syrios.
Master of Regulatory Science degree in Pharmaceuticals and Devices, Mariam Kalik. Winner of a Gold Go Herts Award, Rufaro Megan Matunge. Jaira Obispado Mejia. Winner of a University Prize, Rebecca Wells. Postgraduate Diploma in Pharmacy Practice, Sandra Tarawinga. Postgraduate Diploma in Pharmacy Overseas Pharmacist Assessment Programme, the OSPAP, Chioma Beatrice Abara. Mohammed El Kazami. Serish Afzal. Dara Ahmed. Ola Al-Bermani. Mustafa Al-Husseini. Rend Al-Kinani. Mahmoud Al-Mansur. Ramu Anantha. Rukayat Opiyemi Ayandipo. Jude Chidolui. Haneen Chilmeiran. Namudi Eza. Fatima Rida Safar. Sima Haboubi. Simona Hamath. Falguni Homesh Chandra. Elizabeth Oluwadamilola Kuju. Mariam Mikhail. Faiz Rashad. Jubilee Tega Otajonor. Payal Parekh. Manasvi Harshil Patel. Niyati Patel. Pragna Vishal Patel. Pooja Puthalath. Zahir Raslan. Catherine Ribeiro. Alina Arabella Saudi. Motlale Pula Alexander Sibilo. Marion Tequil. Anusha Thomas. Master of Science degree in Pharmacovigilance, Sheena Soda. Master of Science degree in Health and Medical Education, Neethu Jose. Josephine Nana Sam. Master of Science degree in Health and Medical Simulation, Victoria Georgiev Garcia. Tracy Miller. Master of Science degree in Clinical Dermatology, Saeed Mohammed Atif Ali. Nassar Ullah Altaf. Aswani Babu. Vajirapani Bindusara. Huda Ibrahim. Jennifer Gawanich. Yvonne Kilrain. Felicity Ngumbi. Kavianshi Ramani. Jabbar Shah. Emmanuel Tony. Claire Walsh. Master of Science degree in Skin Lesion Management, Natalie Allen. Rosanna Di Garland Ewan. Elise Jakes. Nilima Mahat. Anne Rutland. Master of Science degree in Clinical Skin Integrity and Wound Management, Gabriella Korn. Caroline Mackenzie. Hayley Turner Dobbin. Master of Optometry degree, Umar Waleed Abdulkhalik. Dawood Ahmed. Amani Azad. Jithusia. Hafila Hajamuddin. Taiba Ilahi. Ibrahim Kadir. Ria Karia. Navleen Kaur Jagpal. Rabea Khan. Fatima Koshku. Ramandeep Kaur Nagra. Saba Qureshi. Hossam Qureshi. Dwaraka Sivan Antharaja. Daniel Smith. Hasib Wajid. Master of Science degree in Molecular Biotechnology, Harshini Mahesh Kumar.
Bachelor of Science degree in Applied Biomedical Science, Ali Akhmedov. Winner of a Gold Go Herts Award, Kayanat Ali. Winner of a Bronze Go Herts Award, Elham Badnat. Winner of a Gold Go Herts Award, Flynn Michael Creasy. Milita Yashkotiti. Charmaine Rufara Shakang Wengda. Winner of a Gold Go Herts Award, Joanna Sarah Rose Lefebvre. Simra Jabin Minhas. Jade Murray. Eleni Natsu Ornako. Winner of the IBMS President's Prize and winner of a Gold Go Hearts Award, Mohammed Tawhid Patel. Tiffany Rudiantu. Niyata Singh. Winner of a Gold Go Hearts Award, Vinesh Sivanathan. Usman Tahir. Nicole White. Bachelor of Science degree in Biochemistry, Nadia Abdin. Ibrahim Aksu. Deshane Joseph Brown Phillips. Kalisha Jessica Daniel. Kelvin Kong. Abhivarshan Manoharan. Winner of the Biochemical Society Undergraduate Recognition Award, Diogo Nunez Cunha. Naut Rodanant. Molly Smith. Bachelor of Science degree in Biological Science, Hayat Aden. Ahmad Isa Ahmad. Rafi Ahmed. Sumiha Nawal Ahmed. Cheval Akurek. Al-Hid Abdullah Al-Khalami. Winner of a Gold Go Hearts Award, Umat Atik. Niamh Alexandra Campbell. Claudia Santos. Gabriel de Marchi Dominguez. Connor Dobson Amos. Ilias Ibrahim Drakopoulos. Jodie Freed. Melissa Hammersley. Nithya Jayakarishnan. Richard Ayoba Makisi. Komal. Stephanie Elizabeth Grintas. Manpreet Lal. Tyrese Lawson. Moheba Rahman. Sonita Ravendraras. Winner of a Gold Go Hearts Award, Sneha Sara Binu. Jay Wilson. Azu Yujatash. Hilda Hay Nam Jozambinska. Bachelor of Science degree in Biomedical Science, El Nayaz. Winner of a Gold Go Hearts Award, Deji Dean Agbadedi. Aliza Kiran Ali. Mehdi Akwel Kamil Al-Makhani. Arpana Arud Selvan. Yagavan Arun Thavalingam. Paige Barnes. Kamini Ashish Bhatt. Nana Osei Boffa. Winner of a Silver Go Hearts Award, Seran Boyanapali. Rupesh Cholagain. Felipe Ferreira. Winner of a Gold Go Hearts Award, Obena Enendu. Emma Garwood. Dia Garia. Winner of a University Prize, Jessica Gibson. Rachel Hayes. Harshini Hirani. Georgia Howe. Jasmine Hughes. Tayab Hussain. Hafsa Iman. Hadia. Iman Ishmael. Michelle Kamal Kumar. Nevdeep Kandola. Sarah Ladrem. Liam Lucas. Manshant Mahil. Ruzba Malik. Ehsan. Priscilla Nabantanzi Nabanoba Mutayaba. Winner of a Gold Go Hearts Award, Kiran Nadim. Diana Nadzazi. Jack O'Grady. Drushti Naresh Kumar Patel. Sarah Louise Pavlovich. Winner of a Gold Go Hearts Award, Umani Pereira. Jodie Pickard. Maita Polves. Sarah Presland. Lauren Rigby. Vicky Sarigui. Roshni Sebastian. Alicia Shersby. Molly Ann Edith Stanley. Mitesh Taylor. Eden Neen Talisha. Hope Tokpa. Tamena Ulla. Saida Hifza Vahid. Jukesha Williams. Bachelor of Science degree in Molecular Biology, winner of a University Prize, winner of the Royal Society of Biology Prize, and winner of the Royal Society of Biology Prize Advanced/Standard Accreditation Top Project Award, Dimitrios Gakantalis. Julie Joram. Cecilia Martin. Jean Helen Panakal. Harry Ripton. Winner of a Gold Go Herts Award, Natasha Velagala. Bachelor of Science degree in Pharmacology, Dylan Alagoz. Melanie Alvora Sousa Rodriguez. Stephanie Francis. Ismail Mohammed. Kelvin Oko. Bachelor of Science degree in Pharmacology with a year abroad. Winner of the British Pharmacological Society Student Prize, Elizabeth Pullin. Bachelor of Science degree in Dietetics, Mubin Ali Hathab. winner of a Gold Go Herts Award, Moki Teng. Bachelor of Science degree in Food and Nutrition, Hafsa Dalvi. Bachelor of Science degree in Nutrition, winner of a Vita Biotics Prize, Ariella Gertner. Anjuli Gohil. Sintoni Dorothy Law. Winner of a Vita Biotics Prize, Sama Samad. Hoda Siam. Chi Ching Yu. Diploma of Higher Education, Peter Sampare Apia. The School of Education, Bachelor of Education degree, Leora Herman.
Well, it's now my pleasure to call upon Rebecca Wells to address us on behalf of the graduates.
Chancellor Lord Salisbury, graduates and guests, I have the wonderful task of representing the clinical, pharmaceutical and biological sciences student body in sharing our gratitude and thanks to all those involved in our collective university experiences. I would also like to congratulate Dr. Sally Ann Forsyth, OBE, on receiving Honorary Doctorate of Science. As I might be an unfamiliar face to many, hi, my name is Rebecca Wells and I'm graduating today with a Master's in Regulatory Science, Pharmaceutics and Devices. But this speech isn't about me, it's about all of us here today. And with that in mind, I would like to first address the graduates of Clinical, Pharmaceutical and Biological Sciences 2023. Graduates, today marks a landmark moment in our lives. Our hard work and efforts have finally paid off, and we can take enormous pride in the accomplishments we have achieved. But while we can all share in this feeling, we each have our own individual university experience, far too unique for me to capture in this speech. Therefore, I ask you to take a moment now of reflection to think about your own university journey, all the highs and all the lows. Without our resilience, determination and perseverance, we would not be sitting here now. In the rush of today, it's easy to forget what this occasion is all about. So take a moment, soak it all in the grandeur of St. Albans Cathedral, and give thanks to yourself. And now I would like to extend our thankfulness to the academic and university staff who have facilitated our journey. Thank you to the lecturers who fed our hungry minds, personal tutors who offered their sage advice, IT and laboratory technicians who were always on hand, the cleaners and caretakers who ensured we had spotless facilities, the administrative staff who quietly coordinated behind the scenes, and everyone else, too many to mention, involved in our university experience. Thank you to you all. We also need to thank the unsung heroes of our journey, our loved ones, many of whom are here today as guests. Thank you to the parents and parental figures, siblings, partners, aunties, uncles, grandparents, friends, whoever you may be. Thank you for comforting the nervous, nail-biting early submitters, for motivating the late-night, last-minute wingers, and for believing in the self-doubters. Your love and support has played a crucial role in our journey. Thank you to you all. And I would like to take a special moment to thank those who are no longer with us, who played a valuable part in encouraging us towards this day. To end, I would like to recall the words of Robert Frost by the poem The Road Not Taken. This poem sums up the beginning of the next chapter of our lives. It emphasises the importance of making decisions with conviction and courage. Two roads diverged in a yellow wood, and sorry I could not travel both, and be one traveller long I stood, and looked down one as far as I could, to where it bent in the undergrowth. Then took the other as just as fair, and having perhaps the better claim, because it was grassy and wanted wear, though as for that, the passing there had really worn them about the same. And both that morning equally lay, in leaves no step had trodden black. Oh, I kept the first for another day, yet knowing how way leads on to way, I doubted if I should ever come back. I shall be telling this with a sigh, somewhere ages and ages hence, two roads diverged in a wood, and I took the one less travelled by, and that has made all the difference. And while all those we have thanked here today cannot walk the path alongside us, you have nurtured us to be work-ready, world-ready, and future-ready, to step off the beaten path and explore new possibilities. Chancellor Lord Salisbury, thank you for receiving these graduates. Thank you.
Thank you, Miss Hall. It's very nice to know that the old controversies about the arts and sciences and the two cultures, clearly that cleavage is not around in the University of Hertfordshire. That was a delightful moment to know that in this scientific school there is a great fan of poetry. Thank you for what you said. And a number of the things that I want to say in a very brief intervention this evening, you alluded to, and you said it much better than I could. But may I, first of all, renew my congratulations and reiterate the congratulations that so many have showered upon the graduates this evening. It's a great achievement that we are celebrating, and we are quite right, and Rebecca Hall was quite right. Rebecca Wells was quite right in saying that we also ought to thank two other groups of people. First of all, those sitting behind me who proudly are seeing the product of their teaching come up and receive their degrees this evening. And equally, Rebecca, the rather touching tribute that you paid to the friends and family all assembled here to celebrate what I hope you will look back on as one of the great days of your life. It'll be a great moment to go out into the outside world or to take the next steps in your educational career. A number of you, I asked what you were doing next. You said PhDs, further study. I wish you the very best of luck with that. Whatever you do, I hope that you feel you'll be graduating from an institution, a growing university, which increasingly is doing important and interesting things in a successful way. You'll find in the world outside a growing number of alumni like you who worldwide, not only in this country, are also making the places where they work and they live more important, successful, and interesting. As you go out into the world, you'll be adding to that remarkable network. And of course, like everybody else on this platform, I'm confident that like those who have gone out from here before you, you will become distinguished in your fields. That you will be able to do so is, of course, mostly because of your own talents and abilities. But it's also because of the education that you've received here, which has honed those talents. I do hope that once you've left, you'll remain in touch with us. It's a cliche to say that the world is changing fast, but like some cliches, I think it's true. And you can help us to ensure that what we do here helps that change to be of a nature that adds to human achievement, rather than leading us into what a number of pessimistic commentators are increasingly beginning to characterize as a dystopian world. For that is what a university can do. If I may venture to try and define it in a phrase, it's there to advance the sum of human knowledge and to work out ways of applying what it discovers. In order to be able to do that, it needs to open minds rather than close them. It needs to encourage debate, not close it down. In other words, it needs to teach people to think, to have the self-confidence to give voice to their conclusions, however unfashionable they may be at the time they reach them. And in doing so, to do it with courtesy and with conviction. If we at the University of Hertfordshire have helped you to use your minds in that way, we will have helped to equip you for a successful and a rewarding life. And please remember that it's not necessarily the received wisdom of today that is necessarily turns out to be the truth. Very often it does, as particularly people in your disciplines, as the phrase goes, climb on the shoulders of giants. But sometimes you will admit that what was received wisdom today will look to our successors down the generations as absurdly misguided. So this is why it's so important that you should learn to use your minds and have the courage to argue with conviction what your conclusions are. So many congratulations again on your achievement. Good luck for the future, and please keep in touch with us as you go out into the world. Now, it is up to us to celebrate your achievements in the reception marquee outside, and I do hope that you have an extraordinarily enjoyable and relaxing evening. That concludes the formal part of the proceedings, so all it remains for me to do is to invite you to stand while the graduation procession leaves the Abbey.
you.